Yeah. Article 3, Bill of Rights of the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Section 1. No person should be deprived of life, liberty, of property without due process of law. Nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of law. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures should be inviolable. Section 3. The privacy of the communication and correspondence should be available except 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 upon unlawful order of the court, or or when or when public safety or otherwise. Section 4. No law should be passed no law should be passed abridging of the freedom of the space of expression of the express of the right of the people to assemble and petition of the government. Section 5. No law should be made respecting of establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise of thereof. Section 6. The liberty of the unchanging, the same within the limits described by law should not be impaired. Section 7. The right of the people to provision matters public concern should be recognized. Section 8. The right of the people form unions, association of the societies of the purpose of not contrary to law should be not abridged. Section 9. Private property should not be taken to public laws use without just consensus. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contracts should be should be passive. Section 11, to accept to the court, pre-access to the court, pre-access to the court, and quasi-judicial police, and adequate legal assistant, adequate legal assistant should not be denied of any person by reason of poverty. Section 12, any person under the investigation should have the right to remain silent and to have competent counsel. Section 13, and person except all person except those charged of the offense punishable by reclusion perpetua. Punishable reclusion perpetua should be available. Section 17, no person should be held answer. No person should be held answer of the criminal offense without due process of law. Section 15, the privilege of right of habeas corpus. The privilege of right habeas corpus should not be suspended. Except in cases invasion rebellion. Section 17, all person should have the right speedy disposition of their cases. Section 17, no person compelled with a witness against himself Section 18, no person should be denied solely by the person of his. Section 19, no excessive fines should be explosive to cruel, inhuman punishment inflicted. Section 20, no person should be imprisoned or debt non-payment full of tax. Section 21, no person should be priced put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. Section 22, no no ex no expose pak no expose tulo on bill attender expose pak tulo bill attender of rights